Chalo, come
Let's introduce ourselves.
Yeah.
I am Ashna,
I'm Khushi.
I'm Shloka. And I'm Isha.
and this is Dinner
Party.
Woo! We're so nervous. So much conversation has gone into क्या करेंगे first episode में? How will we start? What is it going to be like? Oh my god.
And we still don't know.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Like usually when we sit and talk, we just speak anything. But today we are like, क्या बात करेंगे हम?
We have to filter it out a little bit and be a little conscious. So we have had this conversation about a podcast for very long.
Very long.
Yeah.
I've actually picked out podcast names since the lockdown. And
What?
tabhi I not with y'all. मतलब I was thinking to do it ऐसे ही
Alone?
by
अच्छा.
myself. But I'm like क्या बात करूँगी मैं अकेले?
I think even before that,
No, I think
there was one day you came to us and you're like, I'm thinking of starting a podcast. Was that in your initial days?
I
That
don't
was
think
also-
that
I
was
think it
about a
was,
podcast. It was something else that you were talking about.
there's been many things and I don't know where this perfectionism ka keeda has come from. It wasn't there when I started making content, but it's kind of creeped in later
Along
on,
the way.
and that's why so many things I'm like we should do, and even this, like, we've delayed so much.
Yeah.
Just in order to make it like, oh, this has to be perfect, and the first episode
Episode.
pressure is real.
Real.
But it's okay, I think we can make mistakes.
We
Yeah.
would have started like 2 months back, I think, if we didn't do all this.
Janjat.
Janjat. We even watched a couple of like podcast intros because we didn't know intro में exactly होता क्या है. Like we always start watching podcasts later on,
Yeah.
not in the start. Once they get popular, then you start watching their
Watching
episodes.
it. So there's a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
But mostly what we've seen in other podcasts is they start with the basic things like how you met and whatever.
If
so
it's friends doing it, then it's how you met. But
how
you can't
did
really
we
do
meet,
that.
guys? No,
How did we meet?
I was born and then y'all all saw me.
In diapers. We saw Khushi in diapers.
Yeah. I think Isha and I are the older siblings, so we've had a world without them also. Like, we've experienced world without them.
Whatever.
It wasn't an
Sadly,
entertaining world. Without us, it wasn't an entertaining world.
I think we had our own share of fun.
yeah,
at
Isha
that
and I
time.
were not
That's
friends when
Yeah.
we were younger.
Yeah.
We were just, we were not even sisters, we were
Yeah.
acquaintances. We
Yes.
used to just meet at like family functions and like birthday parties and just be like, yeah, we're related.
cherry.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We were
I remember.
obsessed. We were obsessed with Black Forest cake and the fight for who will get the cherry.
on
On top of that, yeah.
It was major.
I think the time when you went to hostel is the time we actually started bonding.
Yeah, getting closer.
You start realizing people's values in life when they leave you.
Life lessons
That's why everybody was praying for Dingy to go to boarding school.
Yeah, so that we
We
realize
would
her
start missing her.
They literally tried to send me to a boarding school, but I did not end up going.
Oh yeah.
You really needed it.
No.
We tried
still need it.
convincing
We
her
tried
for a very
convincing.
long time. But I think we should. That's Shloka, but
Yeah.
we all call her Dingy at home. So in the
Yeah.
podcast or when we
We've
talk,
given
we're
you
going to-
official names, but this is Dingy
Dingy
and
and
this is
that's
Honey
Honey.
for us.
Yeah.
Sadly.
But
Isha
yeah.
and I didn't get
Yeah.
the same love, so
We
we,
were
don't
not
have
loved
nicknames.
enough.
my
Don't.
mom really
Don't.
tried
I don't even.
to push bubbles on Khushi for some reason. Like,
What even is
I
that?
used to watch Powerpuff Girls and she's like, तुम्हें मिला है nickname, उसको भी कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए. And she's like, बिचारी, she tried so hard for.
But what is
so many
bubbles?
years.
That's not even a try.
Khushi didn't even
Yeah.
respond to bubbles.
I don't even want to respond to my own name. Leave bubbles.
You know,
she
Honey,
got to name me.
you know, Honey, even your name was supposed to be something else.
My name was supposed to be Leher.
Oh.
I cannot imagine
Like, I
myself.
think-
Imagine a leher.
Leher Pepsi, that's where they changed.
Leher.
No offense
no.
to anyone who has. That is why I did.
Leher, it's a beautiful name.
I actually don't know anybody named Leher.
Leher, same.
We hope nobody called Leher is watching this.
No, even if you're watching, like,
Yeah.
it's a nice name. It's just that I don't know who said it. They were like, it sounds like Lay's
Leher
Kurkure
Kurkure,
something.
yeah.
So they were like, she might.
It just doesn't go with your personality. Otherwise, it's a good name.
yeah.
I don't think our mom was very good at giving names.
You were
She
given
is-
Khushi by her, na?
She's also not good. What is Khushi?
Aire, aire, Khushi from
Khushi
Yeah,
is a
from that
good
movie.
name because it's so popular. I mean, it's too popular.
Like,
now.
There were like
Everybody-
4 Khushis in my class.
अब
In my
मैं क्या
division, leave the
करूं?
whole standard.
What can I do if a 6-year-old and other 20, 30 something year olds thought of the same name together? If they thought their child and I thought my sister should be. I was a little ahead of my time then.
Yeah.
If
Or
I
it
go
was
to
just
think it
Kareena
that way.
Kapoor influence.
It was just Kareena Kapoor.
watched Aire Aire Khushi and you
Yeah.
named her
Yeah.
Heavy influence. I used to sing it from school and I was like, yahi hoga. And I think even before I met Khushi, before she was born, I was praying so hard for like a baby sister. There was some interaction I had with a child that was not pleasant at all. And I was like, I don't want this person to. If I have a brother, I don't want aisa person jisko I will not like. Like I need to like my sibling. If
We
I have to
always
spend
speak about that.
the
If
whole-
there was like a brother in our equation, what would it be like?
It would be really
He would
weird.
be very left
it would
out.
be so odd.
Straight up.
left out.
Very left out.
Yeah. Or we would love him a lot more.
I don't know.
A lot more because
The
he's just the only guy
the
in
only
the group.
boy like in our house, like that's between us and all is our dog Leo. And he's just the most like needy
Cuddly dog.
yeah, I think because of us, like because he's surrounded by us all.
Women, female energy. He's very needy, very cuddly.
Most important male in this house.
Yeah.
The only
But
man of the house.
I think let's come back to the podcast
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
how we came up with the name.
Name.
Yep.
Dinner party.
We actually thought of a different name before this. For the 3 months that we were thinking about it, it was called something else. And then we were like,
Changed
no,
it last
maybe let's
minute.
figure something else. And then we thought of dinner party. And I think it straight away like takes us back to COVID also a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we spent so much time in COVID together. But for us, we are not like party people, as our name suggests. But for us, I
House
think,
party people.
yeah, we are house party people. More like our dinner conversations, or like when we catch up, we are usually like, even though we are living in the same house, sometimes we meet each other like during food, like meals, either lunchtime or dinner time, and then that's the
Catching up time.
Catching up
where
time.
Everybody is telling how
Because-
the day was.
Because we're all so busy, we meet in the
Yeah.
night and then we like tell आज क्या हुआ, ये क्या हुआ, ऐसे क्या हुआ, and then it takes us like 2 hours to finish our dinner. Because
Yeah.
15 मिनट की चीज 2 घंटे लगता है
But
because we
it's-
all have to catch up
it's
with
so
each other.
fun, and I think that's why like if we've managed to entertain each other for so
So
long.
many years.
I don't know if this podcast will reflect, but we are fun people. Like we have fun with each other at least, and that's why I feel like it's like a
Yeah.
party.
I think it will reflect further. Not
We're
in
very
the first or
nervous
the
today,
second
that's
because we're a little nervous today, so please be nice to us. But I think it will reflect further.
Yeah.
Not now.
But yeah, that's why dinner party.
Yeah.
And that's why we thought of like doing it with each other also, because I think we've seen each other since childhood. Like since, of course, we mentioned like before we
Diaper
were born
phase,
also
yeah.
we knew each other. But we've seen each other like growing up and experiencing different parts of life. Like it is, we've gone through, of course, childhood friends, seeing different like friendships in our
Yeah.
lives, going through like school, boarding school.
School.
We both have been to
Yes.
boarding school also, like that experience, and then going to college and dealing with that life, dealing with breakups or like relationships. And we've seen, I think especially Isha and I, we've seen relationships also in different phases of our life. Like it's never been
Like when
One-
in school, in college,
College.
and later after.
like
What
how you
love
have a
looks like.
crush. And I think when you're younger, you feel like relationships are much more intense in your head. And then because we've had each other, like we've been able to like talk to each other about it and give advice or
Yeah.
Whatever.
And we
And I learned from them.
Them. Yeah. From their mistakes and
Their
their
mistakes and
experiences,
we
what
learned.
not to do.
And we exactly know how each one of us are when we are in love or in a relationship or
Yeah.
with our friends.
We know how their behavior changes, how some people disappear.
Yeah. We know how your behavior changes.
Yeah.
or with our like parents, what our dynamic
Dynamic
is.
is.
We've just seen, even like work wise, career wise, we've seen each other like in different phases. So I felt like it's not, I mean, we don't have a not a boundary, but like we don't have a
Filter with each other.
necessarily.
Yeah.
So we can share everything, and then I think it's a
But
Safe
that's
space.
different in different siblings also. We're the kind of siblings that share everything. I know a lot of people that don't.
That don't talk to their siblings.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it's such a foreign
Or
concept
they
to all
have
of
like
us.
a line. They don't talk about like
Yeah.
their boyfriends or whatever with their siblings, but we don't have any lines, I think.
Like, yeah.
I think there's all types of sibling dynamics.
Dynamics.
Yeah.
Some are like they're always fighting. Some barely talk to each other.
Yeah.
I think some have a bigger age gap. Maybe that's why they don't talk to each other. But you both have a big
Yeah.
age gap, and you still are
Still
very
are
close.
friends.
That actually worked in our favor because she was so younger to me. I thought that I can be her mother instead of being a sister. So I gave birth to a child even before I actually gave birth.
To a child.
Yeah.
I always had that thing with her that parents don't give me permission. She did. Like, she was the one who told me,
Yeah.
do this or don't do that. So the
her
equation was
maternal-
very maternal. Yeah. The
The
vibe was.
maternal thing comes for her also because she used to take care of me in boarding school. Like if anything happened to me, I used to go crying to her or her friends, and then they would go shout out whoever did anything to me.
Felt so cool also,
I had,
you know, the seniors,
Yeah, they used to come meet
Yeah.
me, and I was like, I have people.
people.
I think that's where all the fights just diminished because इतने छोटे
Yeah.
बच्चे को क्या ही बोले.
Even if they're stupid, you have to
waited
put
for
up
her
with
to
it.
grow up. And she's like,
Yeah.
now you come.
Yeah.
Come.
Now you come, I'll tell you. But we all have like a big
Yeah.
age gap also. We
Yeah.
have 6 years.
Yeah.
So I think if we were 2 or 3 years closer,
We'd probably fight.
We would fight a
probably
lot.
Yeah.
I can't even back answer her because I always respected
That's
her.
the respect
And I was like,
I've
I can't
gained.
tell anything back to Isha, even though I think she's wrong. Abhi bhi I can't tell her.
Really?
When have you thought she's wrong? Excuse me.
Yeah, that was the question.
We talk after the podcast. Yeah.
But we also don't have fights. We're not fighting type of people.
People.
On net.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just maybe have like
Disagreements.
tantrums.
Huh.
Or
And then
like-
we will solve it also
Yeah.
वैसे.
Huh, y'all
Yeah,
are
we'll
very.
be cold like
Yeah.
for like a day or something, and then automatically.
You're
start
not very
talking.
reactive as people. Y'all are very
Yeah.
कि अपने अपने में
In
रहो निपटा
friendships
दो.
also, I don't think I have that many fights.
I have
Huh.
been open to people in my friendships, but then when I see the counter is something else only, then I'm like, रहने दो.
रहने दो.
हाँ.
I think I'm a highly reactive person in all my relationships. I'm not somebody who can stay or keep it to myself.
yourself.
That's some people like that, but I think I have too much of it, so I should come and somewhere in the
Balance.
center.
Yeah.
But siblings, I think, fight a lot about clothes. Most major, if it's sister and sister, the fight is about clothes,
Clothes.
and this and that. That is something
Yeah.
that's never happened to us. I can't say the same for y'all.
Yeah, like my only complaint is you keep it back at the same place. धोके.
And without any makeup stains and dirtying it.
And I have a reputation of dirtying and like not returning clothes back at all.
You're just overall clumsy.
Yeah.
Like not just with things, with everything.
Everything.
Like,
Yeah.
Small things also.
Even before like getting on this couch, they asked me, "Are your legs clean?"
Yeah, I think all of us have individually asked you, right?
Everybody
Before
individually
sitting.
asked me that, and I was like, "Is this the reputation I've created amongst my sisters? That
Yes,
for
you
this
have.
also I am going to."
Now you're realizing.
Yeah.
Only took you.
Yeah.
23
Like we say,
years.
there is no fear of judgment between us. We
Us.
can just talk anything. We
Anything.
can be
Yeah.
our real selves.
Safe space.
Safe space. Go-to person. This is all what we
Right.
can say.
Girl,
Yeah.
Sisterhood. But we've seen each other through different eras.
Eras.
So we can.
as Taylor
Taylor
Swift
Taylor
put it.
Swift says,
Yeah.
Had to put her somewhere
Swifties
in the episode.
"Let's go to our era store then."
But I think before that we can explain our not our dynamic, but like our living situation. I think you've
Situation,
explained
huh.
it
I've
on
said
your
it, a
YouTube
lot of
channel.
times, yeah.
And I feel
But
even
to clarify,
Yeah.
to clarify, you can explain what your living situation
Yeah.
is.
Context for new viewers.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So the ones who always watched me, you all know that I have stayed with Honey and Khushi for the longest. I think it's 10, 11 years
10,
now.
11 years
So I stay with Honey, Khushi and their mom. I shifted like 11 or 12 years back. I think it's 12 years now. And my dynamic with my family was not that great. So I felt here more comfortable. So I'm here now. Huh? Oh, it's great with her. That's the reason.
she's saying not me now.
Of course, not with Shloka. That's the reason she keeps coming here to see me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
see
so-
us also.
And to
yaar.
see y'all
And
also.
see
That's what I'm
them
going to
also,
see y'all
yeah.
also.
I think
Yeah,
the
yeah.
dynamic between us became stronger. That this can
Yeah.
be a reason, right? I shifted here. Dingy started coming even more
Yeah.
often. So we got
yeah, four of us got more close.
But no,
Closer.
I think you shifted here also because at we grew closer when I was in school, like in boarding school,
Yeah.
and I used to come for holidays. I would always come to spend like holidays in your house.
Yes.
And we grew
Yeah.
closer because of that.
Because we
And
started staying together.
yeah, and then that's why you felt like, theek hai, this is an
Yeah.
alternate option. Like I can consider.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I have
Living
a
there.
great bond already,
Already
with him,
with
and then
her.
from there it grew even more because now we are like
Because we
roommates.
already knew what is it to stay with each other, right?
Yeah.
Because vacation में either she used to come there and मुझे तो बहाना ही चाहिए था कि कहाँ कब चले लोकन वाला
They used to come and they used to sleep niche because the house that I live in is a 1 BHK house and पहले दूसरा room was not made. अभी 2 है but पहले it was 1. So they used to sleep नीचे वहाँ पे mat लगा के and full night they used to gossip something and they used to call it let's go chit chat something that you all used to call it. I don't know some term you all had for gossiping. You learnt it from your boarding I think and you all used to go on talking the whole night. You can hear whispers in your ear and I used to sleep on the bed like a queen. You know,
And she
नीचे
used to be so
interested that what you all are doing.
Like there was always a head hanging from the bed to see what we are
What's
doing
happening, what's
niche
happening.
gadde pe
Yes.
so ke. And we used to always like whisper and talk and gossip. And the moment we would see like any parent is waking up, we used to hide our
Hide
phone and
and
like act like we're going to
pretend that
sleep.
you all were sleeping.
Yeah, that was the start of.
I remember we used to gossip a lot about boys back then because you had just come back from your boarding and
Oh,
you're like,
yeah.
you know, there is this guy and that and
Yeah.
this. And I'm like, okay, yeah, you know, there's this guy in my college.
College also.
Tabhi all didn't speak to us about all this.
All
Dingy
this.
and I were a little.
Very little.
Yeah.
Still, I used to
we
keep
were
my
slow
nose.
and stupid, yeah.
And they would like Dingy had no filter. Like there was a possibility whatever she heard, she can easily run
Go
and
and
tell
tell.
any parent, any person.
But I did not. For a 8-9-year-old, would you not agree that I was very nice in keeping secrets? I was very discreet.
So
I
holding
knew
you at
about all your
gunpoint and-
boyfriends. You all used to
Yeah.
discuss. I used to hear रात को सोते
And
सोते.
honestly, y'all were not as
Yeah.
discreet as y'all thought y'all were.
Yeah.
With anything in life. We've always known, I think.
They were blushing, doing
Maybe we
these
didn't
things.
care to hide it. But
Yeah, maybe.
You all were just not the part of the conversation, but
Yeah.
you all were there around.
Haan, and we are happy like that.
which we couldn't do anything about.
Yes.
But yeah, let's get into favorite
Eras.
The eras.
Eras.
Oh god, the phases that we've
It's
all
nostalgic.
had. I already want to laugh, but who wants to start?
Start.
And about whom? Like you can discuss.
Acha,
Shall
about
we tell
everybody,
everything
right?
about? I think let's.
Let's start with Khushi.
Oh my god.
This is a common
Because
thing.
that is the most,
Everyone has one common era about me, and I agree. But ठीक है. Bolo.
So Khushi had a phase,
Not even a phase. That was like half my life.
not half your life, but
phase.
it was a good
Half your
5-6 years, I
Yeah.
think. And it might sound like a less amount of time, but we had to live through that phase, guys. We were
You're not
in
making
me Yeah.
those
sound like a-
moments. And Khushi's phase was that even if an egg fell, she would cry.
cry. And she used to not stop.
Anything would make her cry. And like, we were the ones that had to walk around eggshells around us, mainly Dingy. Because
Mainly me.
Dingy used to piss me off to another. We were enemies, I think. I would say at that point, because she used to piss me off because she
I
was
only wanted to be
extroverted
friends with
and-
her.
Yeah, she was
Yeah.
very out there, and I
That's
was
them.
not out there at
all.
all. I was very reserved. I still am, I think.
Yeah.
But I used to cry for every single thing. Now looking back, I can say that was very annoying.
Yeah.
I was very annoying,
Yeah.
but
So even they started as enemies
yeah.
and
Enemies to
one thing
lovers.
is common.
Coming. It is coming.
क्या हो गया? Comment.
but yeah, we used to fight like dogs and cats when we were kids.
I remember once we were pulling
Pulling
each other's hair.
Yeah, and they had to like drag us off each other.
And Honey used to explain to Khushi that Dingy is your
Yeah, yeah,
sister.
yeah,
Why are you fighting with
Oh
her? Why are you
God.
saying these things? She used to be our moderator. She used to literally solve all our
I
fights.
remember those conversations, and I have had one conversation where it was an hour long explaining to
Each one of us.
one person in the side, like taking her to the bathroom, and I'm like, listen, you both are sisters, you all can share your toys and this and that. One full hour I have spent, okay, and I'm like,
Now it'll
what,
be fine.
what a salute देना चाहिए किसी को तो
Yeah.
मुझे उठ के. And then they go back, and I'm like, चलो, they've made up, and in 15 minutes फिर से all this
in
yelling
that
and
house.
Pulling and everything has
screaming
started.
has started, and I'm like, just fuck you guys.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
I was very anxious. I had this anxious attachment pattern even when I was small. If she used
To
to, not
Khushi.
talk to me, to Khushi.
me, yeah.
Khushi, it started from
Yeah.
Khushi.
Oh
She
my
used to
god,
not-
I gave you issues.
No. It was not you who started
Yeah.
it, but I had this thing that Khushi used to not talk to me. And she used to not talk to me for 2-3 days straight. She will not talk. Something will happen. I'll make fun of her or crack a joke. 2-3
Yeah, I
days.
couldn't
seedha.
take a joke. If you
She
say
will not
something,
talk.
I won't talk on it to you.
Yeah.
For 2-3 days, she will be cold. And I was like, talk na. And I used to try too hard.
And then she
Should
used to
leave
try
her.
to apologize, and she's like, Khushi, please talk
Khushi,
to
talk
me.
to me. Khushi, please play with me.
And
Because I was
Khushi
like,
is-
bhul jao,
they were
khelo.
full that, you know, वैसा couples ना जो
Keep fighting.
girl is full like this, like
Full
sitting
time.
ऐसा, and the full time Dingy is in her ear, like sorry, 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 and she's just like this.
And I
Keep-
didn't get why
मुझे-
she wanted to talk to
Talk.
me. Then I was like,
हाँ.
"ठीक है, if you're going to make fun of me only, then do na your own thing. She'll
I
come
was
back
not
also to
very
be
mean.
friends with me only." But that was when we were very,
Very small.
After
Very
that,
young.
we
They were
became
5
the
and
best
6.
of
Of
friends.
friends.
They were 5 and
Yeah,
6.
once we got over that phase, I think we've always been the
Best of
after
friends.
that.
Hanging out together, taking each other out when we break
The
up.
only
Yeah.
iconic crying thing. I think we all remember this common memory of Khushi crying. Wait, I was just going to say that.
Oh my
Which
god, the
one?
milkshake.
The mango milkshake.
Oh, she didn't like that
We all
hair.
were
Yeah.
going to have mango milkshake, and I think your dad
Dad.
was like, "I'll make it for you all," and he was so excited. We were so excited because mango milkshake was the
And
highlight
he
of.
used to make every fruit ka milkshake. You get anything, chiku milkshake, everything milkshake.
And
I don't
we
like
are all
chiku.
excited in the kitchen standing, and Khushi starts crying again. And we are like, ये हमारे summer vacation का highlight है. Mango juice नहीं पीना है तो
She
रो
will
क्यों रही है?
not stop.
And even I remember when she started crying, Papa is like, "Arey, okay, don't cry, don't cry. Mango shake ही तो था." I'm like, don't force
And what
her.
was
Please
your-
explain the reason why
Yeah.
I was crying. So
Because-
mango milkshake na, when you make घर पे mango milkshake,
Bahar you have घर पे.
bahar is fine. Bahar they
Yeah.
whatever they do to it, but घर पे when you make mango milkshake, it has that the texture,
The hair.
hair like texture or whatever that mango
In
has.
our language we call it korant. That's all I know. The बीच का जो seed
The
होता है
core,
उसका
mango का,
हाँ,
हाँ.
korant.
So it was it had that texture in the milkshake, and I did not like that. I hate it. I'm very sensitive. I think issues I have, but I hated that texture, and so I left it. Then I didn't want to have it. But Papa's, we call their parents also Papa, Mummy,
Mummy.
okay? So he's forcing me. He's like, "Nahi, mango milkshake hai. You have to have it. It's so tasty." So I started crying. I was like, "I don't want to have mango milkshake."
Tabhi, she was the girl. Like, I feel like we would all, if we had WhatsApp and we had phones, like we would have a group
WhatsApp
without
chat
without
her.
Khushi.
Because anything would make her cry, and we're like, "Kya ho gaya?" One day there was no eggs in the house, and she's like, "I wanted to eat eggs," and she started crying. I'm like, "Oh God."
And she's the complete opposite of it now.
Now.
She's not at all a
Yeah.
cranky person. I
We switched roles
yeah.
after that. We switched roles after a couple of years because I have stopped crying completely.
Yeah.
Anything happens and not one single
Yeah.
tear will come out of my eye.
And now
And Dingy is
It's highly emotional.
Dingy is the one out of the group chat now.
yeah, any show we watch, any person we talk about, anything emotional,
Her eyes are already watery.
Before we finish talking, also Dingy's like, yeah, and she's like full proper
have
sobbing.
become a very sensitive person. I wasn't like this when I was small.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I think you all had that, you know, that switch
We
movie.
switched.
That
Yes.
movie
Freaky
that's
Friday.
the overnight somebody did.
Yeah.
Khushi, I think everybody.
हाँ,
Yeah,
बस
yeah.
हो गया.
Mutually,
एक ही
we've
काफी था
agreed-
मेरा.
Mutually, we've agreed that this was the thing that stood out.
Stood out. I think Isha's. I want to go.
Yeah, please.
What's Isha's era for you?
Isha's era for me was that she was a serial save puri eater.
Oh my God, I was going
She
to say
used
the
to
same thing.
exploit stalls, just go around sending me to get save puri for her every single day. I used to come from my tuitions back home. She's like, "Are you done with everything? Do you have any other classes?" I was like, "Nahi, go get save puri for me." She
Hey,
used to
I was
send me-
polite.
She's exploited Dingy. She's like, go get dosa, go
No,
get
she
sev
was
puri.
she was good in her approach back then. Now when I look at it, no. Back then I didn't see through it that I was being sent. And जो पास में सेवपुरी वाले भैया है उसका नहीं चाहिए. Somewhere बहुत दूर है. वहाँ पे she sends me. She's like, because he gives the best aloo and sev साथ में, तो you go get it. So I think Isha का what I remember is a sevpuri era, eating sevpuri from every stall possible.
Every
still
evening
does.
at
She
6
still
She
does.
o'clock.
still does. She's
Yeah.
a very big chart person.
Sometimes when you're घर के नीचे ना, if you look across the street, you can see her
She's
standing
eating
at the pani
golgappa.
puri wala guy. I'm not even kidding. The guy has a special this for her, like discount or something for her.
Yeah, sometimes when I don't have change or my GPay is not working, like I tell him बाद में दे दूंगी. Like,
हाँ,
हाँ,
he's like, आप
madam,
She
ठीक
has
है.
a tab open with the
I
sev puri guy.
thought you were going to say that you wait, to get change, you go and eat
Eat sev puri.
That's a
That's
good
what
idea.
very capable she is.
That is her agenda to eat sev puri.
I was gonna say the exact same
Same
thing.
thing.
Pani puri, sev
Sev
puri.
puri.
Pani puri, sev puri, bhel.
Even her new studio space that she got, उस वहाँ पे भी she's made sure कि नीचे एक
Yeah,
भिजवासी चाट वाला, all these things are there.
Requirements
Imagine
are good
the
sunlight
video.
and chaat.
चाट
My reasons of saying yes to that place was नीचे उतर के चाट खा
चाट
सकती
खाने
हूँ.
मिलेगा.
I think that is
I don't
also
get this
everyone's
passion.
common era for you.
Yeah, and our
The
sev puri
eating.
preferences are also same. We all like मीठा, थोड़ा मीठे
No,
के
my-
side
I
पे. Was
think
this the
era is-
medium?
Achha, you have a
Acha,
different
I
era.
have a
era.
different era. with the
Guys,
sev
get over
puri.
the
Guys,
sev puri.
Okay, let's not go.
Intense conversation.
एक
I'm
सेव
not
पूरी पे
having
बात किए जा रहे
on our chutney preferences.
मुझे मीठा तुझे
हम सबका मीठा ही है.
नहीं मुझे मिक्स इस पे we'll go talk.
Yours.
तुझे इमली ज्यादा पसंद है क्या? All this everything. Go on.
I think my like prominent this thing for Isha was not fully like rebellious, but I think she just didn't do so many things in school. Like she was such a well-behaved student till 10th. And the prominent era is like her lover era. Like after she came out of she came out of this all girls school and she went to college and she saw that boys also are part of our society. She was like, this is interesting. And then
Yeah, if you're in
Every
a
time
girls'
I-
school, that's
Yeah.
gets very exciting for you. Either you don't talk to boys at all, or either you're just
You go
too
crazy.
excited to
Or
talk.
I feel like if you're in a girls' school, you have a boys' school that
Opposite yours.
That
We
happened
did,
with
that you
us.
all
Yeah.
see.
did.
Yeah. See?
Yeah. So I was scared of boys initially. कि I'm like, ये creatures क्या होते हैं classroom में? Because in our girls school we were so open. I'm like, ये कौन आ गया यहाँ पर? वो हो गया था. But then धीरे, I even shifted my college. So that
Yeah.
time I was like, ठीक है, okay, this is fun, this is cool.
Like she, I think in college started exploring things like bunking
हाँ.
and maybe
First
like
time I bunked. Yeah.
going for a sleepover and all of those things she's experienced in college because
Head
up until 10th like she was a really obedient topper type of student, so she didn't even bother about going for this thing or bunking her classes and all. So that I think is my
That was
thing
your
that stands
yeah.
out.
your
Even my
piercing.
That's
Saturday
when
night.
we became close, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then I
Up
could talk
until-
to you about it, and you're like, ये किया नहीं है तूने? I have to bunk every day.
Up until she was waking up at 3 o'clock to study and all, I didn't relate to her that
Vibes
much.
with her that much.
I'm like that passion I don't have for books. Like
Later
I
on,
wasn't
she's getting
itna-
piercings, hair
Yeah.
color red.
Then
hair.
she's gone to like red hair color and piercings and having hookah and
She was waiting for school to get over so that she can do all of these things. Do you
Yeah.
remember that? वो inside के study room में she had written, "Hi, my name is Isha. My friends and family. My name is
My name is
Esha.
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 oh yeah.
My friends
Yeah.
and family call
Call
me
me
Isha.
Isha."
So this is one era where I started not liking my name. I used to like my name earlier, but suddenly I felt Esha
Like
is
it's not-
cooler.
So I started
not
lying
cool.
about it because I
Yeah.
didn't like it.
देखिए ईशा क्या है ऐशा होना चाहिए. So then I made it कि my name is Esha,
Esha.
but my friends call me Isha.
Isha.
For you, Esha was what Bubbles was for.
For Paki.
like
yeah.
those names just didn't stick.
Stick.
Yeah.
You
Thank
can't
God.
create a name बड़े होके ऐसे कि
Yeah, that was
Now
my
I'll be known
age.
as
From
Esha.
today, call me Esha.
call me Veronica. I'm not
Princess
Shloka.
Consuela Banana.
Yeah. Like that era of mine, I think like people used to come and ask me which club is good here. Like I became that girl.
Suddenly.
कि Saturday night कौन से club में जाए? कौन से club में जाए? And I'm like,
Yeah, but for me, Isha has been that older sister that took me clubbing like when I was really young and I shouldn't have been in clubs, but I was.
My God.
With my fake ID and trying alcohol and hookah and all of that.
We created fake IDs for her.
She was an extra cool girl teenager. Diggy's
remember you used to
inspiration
come
was
Was-
Honey.
I was obsessed with Honey. Like I was really obsessed with her. I used to find her really cool when I was younger. Whenever she went to boarding, I used to cry so much. कि कब आएगी वापस कब आएगी? I used to think
Yeah, we
about
had
her.
a
Ki-
weird this thing. Like
Yeah.
I was also extremely this about her. Okay, every summer vacation I have to come and hang out with you guys. Yeah, I used to tell her, okay, you come and stay over
yeah.
at our place. And then same, like if I used to go to boarding school, she used to get really depressed.
I was
Because I was
very,
just
Yeah.
fun.
yeah, she was very fun back then.
I used to try and tell
Back
you-
then.
excuse me. I used to tell you also to put to bunk
Yeah.
class.
to make everyone
Hey,
bunk
don't,
everything.
Don't talk about that now, yaar. I had planned it for your
Oh,
era.
sorry. So you can bring it up.
हाँ, I'll bring it up again.
ठीक है,
नहीं,
let's
we
start
can
our
talk
era
about-
now.
about
अच्छा,
हाँ.
her only ना, we are done with your
Yeah,
era
my
ना.
era is done.
I think
So-
you are Pani Puri only.
Yours is serial pani puri eater. Yours is Honey used to give me these weird ideas because whenever she used to come to our place, 7 o'clock तक we used to stay up. हम सोते नहीं थे पूरी रात and मुझे फिर सुबह स्कूल जाना होता था. इसका वेकेशन था. तो one day she comes up with this idea that take onions, put it either in your armpit or just
Was
put
it onion or toothpaste?
It was toothpaste on your
toothpaste
tongue.
on your tongue. Like put
under your tongue.
under your tongue and onion in your armpit. You read it somewhere. I don't think it's
I-
factually correct.
Yeah, I must have read it somewhere because I've also not tried that. In
She-
my boarding school, इतना possible नहीं था वो सब.
She
try
suggested
to
me
get
this
onions and all.
कि do that so that you will catch a temperature and then you can tell mummy that oh I have fever, I don't want to go to school. You literally came up with that.
And you tried it also.
I did try it
And it
because-
Did you
didn't
get a
work.
fever?
No, I
it
didn't.
didn't work.
But that was Honey's era for me. Anybody else?
क्या क्या I gave you bunking bahana.
No, for me, like I have seen Honey since her childhood, and I think she was
you very much.
the most rebel kid I have
Yes.
seen. And
Yes.
because I was always so obedient, I used to like, you know, like fancy her, like wow, ऐसे rebel करते हैं.
That
you know,
was
वो
even
वाला.
in your house.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
she was so.
That's how I vibed. I think I learned it from Honey.
Oh,
Yeah.
How to be a rebellious
Isha and I are
girl.
the obedient ones, and
Yeah.
those two are rebels.
Quieter ones, yeah. Like she was such a rebel. I remember with our nani also, you know, like she was like always kept fighting with her and everything, like for the right reasons, of course.
But
was
her
my
She was a very
nemesis.
stand-up girl. कि
Yeah,
नहीं चाहिए
like-
तो I will stand up for it.
Yeah, even she's like that right now. She doesn't like something. She's straight up there. So that time, I think that has come to her since her childhood. Even with her mom, I think though after coming back from hostel, I think. So she was so used to doing her things by herself. कि किसी का भी interference पसंद नहीं आता था. That's I
Extra
think.
हाँ, independent.
Yeah, I think that's with hostel kids maybe because you're
yeah.
so used to doing कि यहाँ
Even
आकर
her, yeah.
if somebody is like you're like कुछ help कर
You
दो,
become
like, नहीं.
independent.
but
हाँ.
I वो भी है मेरा कि if somebody tells me to do something, I will be like no.
उल्टा करूँगी.
I'll do ulta. And if nobody tells me, then मैं खुद से करूँगी. Like somebody tells me कि clean, so I'll be like नहीं.
तब भी
But
तो she
I
used
have
to go-
decided I will clean.
तब भी she used to go out of her way to be a rebel.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it worked in my favor because she was my savior. तभी तो I won't say much.
Stood up for you everywhere.
Yeah,
Like Khushi
she
to-
really saved me. My childhood was saved because of her. If
I
I didn't
was
want to
very
drink milk,
passive-aggressive.
also she would come and she's like, "You don't want to drink? Leave it, go." And then she'll talk. आगे. I was like, "Wow, thanks."
But now I think Honey has changed a
हाँ.
lot. Like she's become so empathetic. मतलब empathy का तो उसने
वो
पार कर
rebel
दिया
से
है.
बहुत,
हाँ.
हाँ,
Like
अलग
क्या
इसमें.
like this मतलब when you see people's
Character
life graph,
arc
you
उसका.
understand that
Yeah.
जो तुम बचपन में वो you're not going to be the same person
person
later. You
later.
can change so much. Like I have seen Honey का तो मेरे सामने example.
Proper character
Like,
आके.
मैं वो साक्षी हूँ बोलते हैं ना उस चीज की. Like I am the witness.
I thought ऐशा से साक्षी कैसे बन गई? क्या?
She's like, every day you're changing names.
Yeah, like she
वो
has
साक्षी.
changed so much. Like she understands so much. And मम्मी के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा your arguments used to happen. And now तो it's like very
Yeah.
like she's calmed down so much
Now
with
I'm in
time.
my therapy era.
All of us are in a therapy
Yeah.
era.
Everybody is in
Yeah,
that
yeah.
therapy healing era.
Yeah.
I think with time we understand that the other person का भी you know there has to be
Where
some
they're coming from.
Where they're coming
Yeah.
from. पहले when we are young we are like we'll rule the world and everything. तो उसमें we don't understand only the other person.
Now,
Now
thank
because
God
I
for
can't-
change. Imagine I was still crying abhi. You all
Yeah,
would.
see.
I would really be out of the
And
group.
Khushi won't come only for the podcast if she was that Khushi.
Yeah.
नहीं
Yeah,
आऊंगी मैं.
yeah.
and if we forced her she would cry.
I would cry on the podcast. 30 minutes of just.
Bond really well
Yeah.
otherwise.
Yeah, true.
But even for us, boarding school only made that
Change.
क्या बोलते हैं distance makes the heart grow fonder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that.
We learn the value.
Yeah, yeah. Distance makes the heart grow fonder.
Yeah. So that only happened with us also. But my rebel phase, I don't know where it came from. Like what the root cause of it,
It
was
came
that
from
I
our
became
nanny, that
like
I
that.
would
Actually, maybe because I think, like for example, how your maternal instincts kicked in, even though you were nowhere, you were a teenager
Yeah, yeah.
basically. But same for me, and I felt like it was my parenting style against my nannies. So that generational
Clash.
Gap.
clash that was there was always very this thing ke,
Strong,
this
yeah.
is not how you know raise a child like by hitting them and sending them zabardasti to tuition and this and that, and I was too only
Yeah.
छोड़ो रहने दो टाइम
You were very vocal about ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना
Yeah.
चाहिए, which was also very good at that age.
yeah
So Honey was like a hero to me when I was small. All my friends used to be so obsessed with her because I used to keep talking. Honey will come home. अभी मैं घर जाऊंगी, Honey है. Tuition के बाद मैं Honey से मिलूंगी.
but this even I used to do in my boarding school. All my boarding school friends knew each of them, knew all our ghar ka stories, and knew my nani also very very well because she was my
Same.
nemesis. So I used to go and tell everybody in school all of our stories, like iske sath ye ho raha hai, Isha is now dating this person, or she has a crush on this person, and this movie we've watched, and Twilight era.
Oh, Twilight era. तो
We
how
were
can we
in
forget?
love with Twilight.
We had taken those CDs. हम
Yeah,
rent पे we
yeah,
used to
yeah.
take CDs that time. Of course, we didn't know how to download and all, and नहीं आया था. And that Twilight 1, 2, 3 and 4 Breaking Dawn तक का, all 4 we used to keep watching on repeat every day on
Even Tara
every
Rampam.
day. हाँ, Tara
Tara
Rampam
Rampam
also.
was-
And you
Even
remember
जब we met.
us dancing?
You all used to
That
put either
era though,
9
this
XL.
cumulative forever.
Our Shamak Davar era. Oh my
my
god.
God.
I think बहुत
We
बहुत
have-
ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा हमारा. But we've had so much fun during those dance
Days.
sessions.
Classes.
And I
Yeah.
was so aggressive with
Yeah,
y'all that do the step.
Oh
I
yeah,
think
we
we
have
have
like
like
left
videos.
Dingy ka eras we have to
Discuss.
You're
discuss.
having.
I'll
scared.
start. My era. I mean, there are many for Dingy, but I think one of the most memorable ones is her going to classes era. She
Yeah.
was going to Kathak se leke what was that?
Karate.
Karate, and then she was doing singing also, and then she
Swimming.
was doing art classes, she was doing swimming, she was doing dance classes at Shamak Davar also, and every day she used to come back, and then we had to like एक स्टेज होता था जहाँ सोफे पे हम लोग अपना खाना खा रहे हैं एंड जबरदस्ती हमको उसका सब जो भी शी इज लर्नड इन दैट फुल डे वी हैड टू सी वेदर इट वाज
showcase it घर पे आके कि audience है, I'm going to do it, you'll have to keep watching.
yeah whether it was her dance or the fighting that she is learned in that particular
Yeah.
week.
And
Even,
Isha was her nanny. She had to pick her up from all these classes and get her back home because no one else was doing
Yeah,
it.
and I am the
Isha
person
had-
who even put her to so many
So many classes.
So
She is the
after some
reason.
time I'm like, क्यों
क्यों
डाला?
डाला? मुझे ही भेज रहे सब लोग.
ईशा पुट हर इन द क्लासेस के घर पे बहुत दिमाग खा
The reason being घर में थोड़ी शांति चाहिए थी because I used to study.
शी इज लाइक पुट हर इन दीस क्लासेस, ये घर से बाहर रहेगी
Busy रहेगी.
एंड देन द ड्यूटी केम टू हर ओनली कि सब क्लास से पिक
Pick up करो और drop
तू
करो.
नहीं डलवाया ना,
Yeah.
तू ही जाके
Like
लेके
my
आएगी उसको.
mom's rebel era कि तूने डाला है
तू
तू
ही जाएगी.
I remember this one era which continued for quite a very long time.
I'm scared.
I can't hear no era.
Oh my god, yes.
Itchy. We
हाँ,
say
now
itchy.
in Tulu no को itchy. तो like I remember she used to tell my father even like जब मैं बड़ी होंगी ना मैं तभी शॉर्ट ड्रेस पहनूंगी. अभी हाँ बोलो, अभी हाँ बोलो, अभी हाँ
And
बोलो.
she's asking this at like what? How old were you?
8 years old.
8 years old.
She's
8 or 9.
asking at
For
8 years
teenagers.
old for when she will be 18.
Yeah.
10 years in advance वो पूछ रही है उनको कि when I reach 10th मुझे फोन मिलेगा, अभी हाँ बोलो आप. Like अभी you have to commit to it. And even he used to tease her, nahi, nahi, nahi. And then she'll follow him. If he's in the washroom, she will keep hitting the door and she'll be like, say yes,
Yes.
say yes.
Say yes to me.
I will wear skirt, I will go out, not like Isha. I will go hang out with my friends. No
I think
restrictions on me.
It came from
From
that she
Isha
saw
only.
me.
I saw her being
Yeah.
very obedient, very this, and I saw that she wanted to do a lot of things which my parents were not saying yes for. So I was like, मैं अभी से ही prepare करती हूँ, so that आगे मुझे problem नहीं होना चाहिए ईशा जैसे.
Yeah.
She really drilled it.
Yeah, like she used to see ना कि dad is shouting at her for this reason. मैं अभी से यहाँ बनवा लूंगी तो आगे
Next
जाके
day
प्रॉब्लम
उसका
ही नहीं होगा.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था कि मुझे ये ईयर में फोन मिलेगा, ये ईयर में मुझे वो मिलेगा.
तभी
Yeah.
मेरे को short dress पहनना है.
Yeah,
Full
yeah.
gundi types.
And she made it happen. Huh? It does
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
Yeah, like I manifested those things by saying it again and
Yeah.
again.
Another era for you is the post breakup sitting near the dustbin and crying at night era.
That time they didn't give me no empathy for me. They were only laughing when they found me.
Yeah, because who
Because
wouldn't
everyone
laugh?
is asleep and she is sitting in the darkness in the kitchen next to the dustbin on the floor with her phone and she's
Yeah.
just crying. I don't know who
I
found
came
you.
home and found you.
Honey found
I
me.
came home at I don't know what time this was, but everybody was sleeping, and I can just hear some noise in the kitchen, and I would go in, and she's literally sitting on the floor next to the dustbin and crying because koi room khali nahi tha for her to sit and cry. So she found this place in the kitchen near the dustbin to sit and cry over a breakup, and I'm like, what happened? School wala is different.
Different.
Teen,
School
late
में
teen
it's also your first time in a relationship, so first boyfriends are always
side. Yeah.
I तो had in college, but first boyfriend नहीं, but yeah, whatever.
school नहीं, हाँ sorry college, हाँ.
Because girls school.
हाँ, your experience.
Yeah,
thoda
yeah, very
later.
late. And being an obedient studious, then though you experience even more
later.
late. Yeah,
Extra rebel.
After that, you became a rager only. But
rager. Then though you all used to CB. I think we have spoken enough about each other, and it's enough for people to know us better now.
And we just discussed how to close this because we don't know how to do this. Just
So bye.
bye. Maybe.
So इतनी सारी बातें तो कर ली, but अब जब खत्म करना है तो क्या बोले?
Nothing.
this
I
is
think
enough for one episode of Dinner Party.
Yeah.
we've shared enough
take it
about
somewhere
our
to the room.
yeah. Dinner party time is over.
Our dinner party is shifting to our room now.
ठीक है, we'll see you all
We'll do
next
it,
time.
we'll
अब इतना ही है हमारे पास इस episode के
आज के लिए इतना ही.
But I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will see you next time.
Like, share, subscribe.